Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to Ember's Artwork. Today we're going to create a digital self-portrait. You can use whiteboard or sketches, and we're going to draw right on top of a photograph. So these are the instructions about how to add photographs. I'm going to be using sketches. I've already clicked the three dots, down arrow, it's already my camera roll. I click photo, click on my photograph, and it's inserted. I can make it larger or smaller, and on sketches I want to make sure I click that check. And now I'm going to draw right on top of it. I have my brush selected. I'm going for a dark color black to outline all of the important lines. So make sure you're carefully outlining all of those important lines with a dark color. Then you're going to start to color right on top of your photograph, taking your time to color in each section a different color if it's supposed to be a different color. Carefully color in all of your parts of your photograph. And make sure you color in your background. It does not have to be realistic colors. Have fun with it. I cannot wait to see what you guys will create. We want to make sure we're filling in all of our spaces. Then I click the three dots, the up arrow, and that's how I save my image. I'll just click Save Image, and it is saved. Good luck and happy arting!